So I briefly wanted to talk to you about this action camera I got from Amazon. It's the Akaso Brave 4. And I mainly wanted to have it for going on vacation, having some footage of turtles, go skiing, doing things. And I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg. And I'm not going to bore you with the unboxing and all what it can do. That's a separate video. But I actually wanted to show you the footage I got from this camera underwater in Maui, swimming with the turtles, and on Mount Hood, being in the worst weather, was snowing like crazy, and on the mountain skiing. So take a look at it, and then I'll come back to you.
Could that be him? All the way down? He would wait here for us, don't you think? Well, let's go. Of course, he's just gonna go dive.
So now that you have seen the video of the underwater video and the skiing, you could see the difference. The underwater was shot in 1080 and it was a bright and sunny day, which was an amazing footage. I really loved that one. The skiing was shot in 4K 30 frames per second, but the weather was terrible. It was snowing like crazy. I've never seen before. And you could see little water here on the camera, which of course obstructed the view a little bit. But overall, I'm super happy with what the camera can do. Personally, I will shoot in the future in 1080. And I've done a couple different ones. You can see I've used the camera quite a bit now. And overall, I gotta say, I'm super happy with the price. You can't get anything better than that for what it offers you. I would totally recommend this camera if you really just want to use it occasionally, not for commercial use necessarily. That's really one of the best cameras I ever had, and I will use that in the future. And so I absolutely can recommend it.